Have you heard about this amazing opportunity? All you have to do is listen to a single song, and you'll earn $6. But wait, it gets even better. If you listen to 2 songs, you'll make $12. Can you believe it? This is the easiest money-making scheme I've ever come across. And let's be honest, who doesn't love listening to music anyway? You can easily earn some extra cash just by enjoying your favorite tunes. Plus, think of all the new artists and songs you can discover while making money at the same time. I'm so excited to sign up for this and start making some serious dough. Let's get listening and earning. I am absolutely thrilled to share that I have already made over $800 with this amazing platform just by listening to music. It's hard to believe how easy and enjoyable it is to make money in such a fun and effortless way. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to the search bar and type in the name of this website called Jamendo.com. This is the website we use for this website. Just click on the icon here. The first link icon, now click Start on the left side box and you will be taken to the main page of the site, where you will find thousands of copyright, free videos in various genres. I will show you in a moment so that you can listen how you can listen to such tracks here and earn money from this. This is a proof of payment for people who earn money. This person here just made $25 today. This one just made $34. Scroll down the page and you'll see some popular songs that the website offers. But don't worry about those songs here. You can make money with these songs by just scrolling up. Just click here and it will show you all the songs on the site as well as the details. If you want your app to be available on both Google Play and the App Store, you can also This website works all over the world, so today's methods are useful wherever you live in the world right now. I want you to pay attention to this, so it's the first tip. Go ahead and click where it says All Genres. Here, you can choose from these different genres. I personally use and recommend the pop genres, where you can probably make more money. Go ahead and select it. Save this option for all countries, and leave the other options exactly the same. There are now hundreds and thousands of pop tracks that you can easily Google here. You can see for yourself that the one pop music genre in the world is now worth $6 for any song. Sung over and over again, you need to be here just to hear these songs. Then download. Please do not worry. I will simplify it so that even beginners who have never made money online can easily do it. We'll talk a little bit about how you can get rewarded just for listening to and downloading these songs. But first, you have to download great songs. If you scroll down, you'll see that there are thousands of songs. But obviously, I'm not going to listen and download everything. Download only the best songs here now. Try and start listening to the first song here. Just press the play button, and it will start playing immediately. I do not know. You don't have to listen to the entire song. Listen to the song for a few seconds, and if you like it, download it here. Click the download icon, select the free download, and download. Begins. For example, let's say this wasn't a very good song. If you don't like it so much, try another song and keep going until you find one you like. It's very important to pick a song that you really like instead of picking it randomly from a list. I like this one. So here's how to download it to your computer and make money with it. Now you can do it yourself. Also, try to upload as many songs as possible. The more songs you upload, the more money you can make. The next step is simply to visit this website. Already making money with this method called 3upload.com. I want you to look at me here so you can do it right. As you can see here, I've already made over $800 this way and will reach $1,000 soon. Follow what I'm doing now. Let's go to the front page and explain how it works. What this site does is pay us to share music files. As shown here, you can earn money by uploading and sharing. You will be charged for uploading photos, videos, songs. The music I have here is already completed and downloaded from Jamendo, so this site is completely free. Now you don't have to spend a dime, and you will be given a link as soon as you upload your song to the site. They give you a link to your song, and then all you have to do is get people to download and listen to it from that link. And once they do that, you get $6, and I'll show you exactly how it works, as well as getting hundreds of people to totally follow your link. Now you don't need a lot of social media followers or anything like that. Just click on the Make Money site and you will get more information on how to do it. As you can see here, if you get downloads from level 1 countries, you will get $7, which are the US, Anda, and Brazil. If you get downloads from level 2, you will get $6. And at level 3, you will get $5 from 4 countries. Scroll down the page, and you will see that they have several payment methods like the Bitcoin PayPal payment system, absolute cash payment, and more. The good news is that the minimum withdrawal limit is only $1, which means you can start withdrawing money from your first account day. You can also get more money here by referral, which means inviting more people to the website, but I saved that part for another video. Now, let me show you a real example of how we can make money from our music. Follow along on this site, but you need to create an account here first. So I'll log out of my account to show you how. It's very easy. Just click register and enter your information here, such as your username, email address, and password. After that, select the payment method again. I recommend using PayPal, so if you don't have one, just create a free PayPal account. It's very easy. Then check Submit your email. Click back here and log in now. Click Upload Files. I'll show you. How do I upload songs here and earn money from them? For me, I already have this song, which I downloaded from a previous site. Make sure your song is ready now. There are various options for uploading, but I don't care about any of them. So I'll use this one. Make sure that option is checked and click the blue box where it appears. View File. Then select the songs you want to download from your device. This is my case. The song is here. Once done, click Start Download, and as you can see, the download will begin. This also depends on how slow your internet connection is. That's all. Here is the link. Now all you have to do is copy that link and send it to someone else. Then you can download the songs from there. Downloads get paid, but don't expect a lot of money for just one song. Like I said before, I have to do the same thing with a lot of songs. The final step in the video is when we get traffic and people download the song from our link. Well, this isn't one of the easiest steps. Just go to Facebook and start looking for music-related Facebook groups, and you can actually start chatting with people there and give them the link so you can click through